Yo, what's up? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So today we're talking about something that every photographer, yes, even you, has struggled with at some point. And that's losing direction, feeling uninspired, questioning if we should just sell all of our gear and take up competitive knitting. Spoiler alert, don't do it. Needles are dangerous. But seriously, I've been there. Some years feels like creative rocket fuel, and others, well, more like dragging a rusty wagon uphill with a broken wheel. So today, I'm giving you some straight up, no nonsense ways to get inspired and excited about your work again. So let's go. All right, first up, change your approach. Seems obvious, right? But most of us don't actually do it. We stick to what we know because it's comfortable, like wearing your favorite hoodie for 5 days straight. No judgment, I get it. Now when I started out, I loved doing street photography. The light, the shadows, the cool texture, but eventually I started asking, why am I even taking this photo? I did the same when it came to motorsports. But when you start questioning the point of what you're doing, well, that's not great. So I switched things up. Instead of random snapshots, I started focusing more on storytelling, projects that had meaning, and boom, I reignited my passion like a flamethrower at a birthday party. So if you're feeling stuck, ask yourself, am I just going through the motions? Well, if the answer is, yeah, kinda, then it might be time to shake things up. Change your subject, try a new style, shoot something completely outside of your comfort zone. You never know what's gonna click. Next, this is a huge one. Tell a story with your work. Epic landscapes and jaw-dropping portraits are great. But you know what's even better? Photos that mean something, that make people feel something. Now, I'm currently working on a project focused on mental health and depression. And the deeper that I get into it, the more obsessed I get because I'm chasing a narrative. And it keeps me excited to keep shooting. So find a story that interests you. It could be historical, personal, or just plain weird. Whatever keeps you engaged. You'll be surprised at how much that changes the way that you shoot. Speaking of meaningful, why not make something important? And I don't mean important like curing world hunger. Well, unless you're into that, which in that case, respect. But I mean important as in something that adds value to the world. You know, maybe a piece of history that's just waiting to be photographed. Something that's not trending on Instagram. Something that no one is begging for, but something that's worth doing. That's how you create work that lasts. Okay, so maybe long-term projects sound overwhelming. I get it. Sometimes you just want a quick win. Enter micro projects. Basically, a mini photo project with a super specific focus. Instead of a 100 photo series, aim for 15 to 20 killer shots that work together. One of my favorite examples? Well, this guy, he photographed nothing but carpets inside of some British seaside arcades. Yeah, carpets. Moral of the story? Anything can be a project if you commit to it. Find a small, weird, or oddly satisfying theme and just run with it. All right, last one, and this may be the most important. Stop letting social media define your success and set your own standards. We all know that the algorithm loves epic drone shots and insane sunsets, and that's fine. But if you're only making work for likes and follows, you're gonna burn out fast. Instead, ask yourself, who are you taking this photo for? Maybe it's for you, maybe it's for a tiny audience that actually cares and appreciates it. Either way, the sooner you stop chasing internet validation, the happier and more creative that you'll be. So there you have it. There are some tips on how to shake off that creative slump and get hyped about your photography again. So drop me a comment with your favorite tip to get out of a creative slump. And don't forget, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for future videos. Also, hit up my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my Lightroom preset pack that I designed to use on all my photo projects. And until next time, get out and shoot, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.